What's going on, guys? Bama'S Outdoors back with you again here today, and I wanted to do a little short video just kind of talking about something that's been heavily on my heart, and that is keeping our campsites, our lakes, and our ponds clean. And I have a buddy of mine, Sportsmobile 83. You check his channel out when you get a chance. He's a great guy. He does a lot of how-tos and things of that nature, and check him out, give him a sub if you get a chance. But I've also had some guys on Twitter emphasizing this, and it's something that a lot of us just kind of take for granted. You know, I'm very fortunate and I'm very blessed to live in North Georgia. Now, you know, North Georgia, the Appalachian Trail runs through North Georgia, and North Georgia is covered with campsites and beautiful creeks, streams, and lakes. And we have a lot of people come from the city up here, and well, let's just be honest. I'll just be honest with you. Not all of them are very, very clean, is what I'm saying. Is, you know, on the campsites, there's trash left all the time. There's people come up and they fish these lakes and whatnot, and they fish these trout streams because, you know, North Georgia is known to have some very amazing trophy trout streams and just regular trout streams, because the DNR does a tremendous job here making sure that our streams are filled with trout and things of that nature. But to get back on point, you know, I'm going to challenge you to do this, and I'm taking the challenge myself. And that is, when we go fishing, go camping, go hiking, whatever it is you may like to do, pick up some trash. Because I have noticed, even in some of the state parks I like to fish and whatnot, that there's trash that has been there forever, and I'm as guilty as you are about not taking the time to pick it up because I'm so focused on fishing and hiking or whatever I'm, you know, that needs to be, whatever I'm doing at the moment is what I'm trying to say. And you know, we've been very blessed as a people to have such a beautiful country, to have such great resources, and let's start taking care of what God has blessed us with. Let's start taking care with what this country has blessed us with. And sometimes we all, including myself, we get spoiled with the fact that we can just run down the road, you know, jump in the boat, hit the lake, and go fishing. And I know if you fish in a bass boat, a lot of times you don't see a lot of trash because, I mean, if you do, it's on the bank and you're out in the middle of the lake, and sometimes it's difficult to get up on the edge of the lake and grab a piece of trash. But hey, I'll challenge you when you hit the boat ramp. You know, if you see a piece of trash or something, pick it up. And I'm not talking about taking you a big old 50-gallon trash bag with you. I'm just talking about pick up 2 pieces of trash, pick up 3 pieces of trash, and so we can leave what we've been blessed with looking better for the next person. And I really, really hope y'all guys take this to heart, because I've really taken it to heart. My mother, she's big into this as well. In fact, she's even thought about starting a channel emphasizing just strictly on this one thing, and that's keeping our parks, our streams, our lakes, our campsites, our hiking trails clean. And I think that would be amazing. So the next time you're out fishing, pick up a couple pieces of trash. Next time you're out camping, pick up a couple pieces of trash. The next time you're out hiking, just pick up a couple pieces of trash. A lot of people don't think about the fact that the animals and whatnot that we have in our woods and things of that nature, they come along later on, and a lot of them die because of the trash that we leave out there. And not only that, it's kind of a slap in the face to the next person that comes along. So I hope y'all take this challenge to heart, because I'm going to take this challenge to heart. In fact, I'm probably going to make a video myself just strictly going to a couple streams and going to the lake and not even fishing, and just take time to pick up trash. Because hey man, we've been blessed as a people. We've been blessed with a great country. The big guy upstairs is really giving us a lot more than we really deserve. So I hope y'all take a minute to take up this challenge. Share this video with other people so we can get other people involved in this. And if you enjoy this content that I'm sharing, please give this video a thumbs up. Please take a minute to subscribe to our channel. We'll be very, very grateful. And thank you for taking the time to watch. And as always, God bless and happy fishing.